Hello children. Children, last week I have given you the revision test of lesson number 2. Thank you friend of English 2. I hope you all have learnt that lesson and given the test and got it checked from your parents. Moreover, I told you that this week there will be a revision test of lesson number 11, Latula, the top one. I hope you all are ready for the test. So, take out your sheets or your test copies and start writing the test. Question number 1 is, who said these words? Who said these words? Question mark. This question has 4 parts and each part carries 2 marks. So this question is of 8 marks. Number 1 is, watch me dance in the air. Watch me dance in the air. Second is, it's a flying saucer. It's a flying saucer. Number 3 is, who is making this noise? Who is making this noise? Question mark. Number 4 is, that shiny little thing. That shiny little thing. Question number 2 is, tick the correct words within the brackets to complete the sentences. Tick the correct words within the brackets to complete the sentences. This question has 5 parts and each part carries 1 mark. So this question is of 5 marks. Number 1 is, did you, in the bracket 2 words are given. You have to take the correct one. Out of the 2, you have to take the correct one. Did you hear or tell the bell ring? Question mark. Number 2 is, please tell or say me the answer. Please, in the brackets, tell or say me the answer. Full stop. Number 3 is, my bag is heavier, in the brackets write than or then. Yours. My bag is heavier than or then yours. Full stop. Number 4 is, there, there. One there is THERE and the other one is THEIR. You have to take the correct one. Were 5 apples on the tree. Number 5 is, can you show or speak me the way to the market? Question mark. Can you show or speak me the way to the market? Question mark. Now let's move on to question number 3. Write yes or no. This question has 3 parts and each part carries 1 mark. So this question is of 3 marks. Number 1 is, Latula was a clock. Latula was a clock. Full stop. Second is, Latula belonged to Ria. Full stop. Number 3 is, Latula loved to spin. Full stop. Now let's move on to question number 4. Fill in ZZ, MM, PP or L to complete the words. This question has 4 parts and each part carries 2 marks. So this question is of 8 marks. Number 1 is HO dash dash ED. HO dash dash ED. Second is FO dash dash OWED. FO dash dash OWED. Third is BU dash dash ED. BU dash dash ED. Number 4 is HU dash dash ED. HU dash dash ED. Now last question number 5 is, answer the following questions. Answer the following questions. This question has 3 parts and each part carries 2 marks. So this question is of 6 marks. A is what did Latula like to do? Question mark. What did Latula like to do? Question mark. Question number B is who wanted to catch Latula? Question mark. Who wanted to catch Latula? Question mark. And C part is who was Latula? Question mark. Who was Latula? Question mark. Children, now I will show you the questions once again. Just go through the questions carefully and then write the answers in the presence of your parents. After writing the test, get it checked from your parents. And if any mistakes are there, then do write each mistake 5 times. So this was all there for today. Next week, children, there will be a revision test of lesson number 12, Latula the top 2. I will repeat. Next week, there will be a revision test of lesson number 12, Latula the top 2. So be prepared for that lesson next week. Till then, goodbye.